Hello, here we are, day 10. And today's tutorial I followed along to was by Maggie White. She did a lovely tutorial, but she used quite a lot of the extra pages. She used a little Christmas tree and a snowman, and she decorated those, and she used some baubles off the extras page. She didn't really use the stars, and I wanted to use the stars, so I followed along with her the background, how she did the stamping and the she used little dots, and I've used the Nouveau crystal dots to represent the snow. On mine, I like I say, I've used the stars, which because I quite liked those. And at the bottom, she did a lovely little ruffle of material that looked like snow, but I didn't have any of that, so I just used some snow effect, and I put glossy accents again on the label, which says little star. I went round the stars in black crystal dots and Nouveau dots, not crystal dots. Added a little jingly bell, and that was an old earring, which is a little star with a bit of glitter in it. I added some ribbon and did with your scissors, when you pull the scissors along to make the ribbon curl. And then on the back, I just carried the stars on, so the ones that overlap are sort of a double, and then I just added lots of little stars. Went round the edges as she did in like a blue, green, and I used like the linen-y one. So that's day 10. Hope you like it. Definitely go and check out Maggie's tutorial. It's very cute. And I'll, oh, it looks like the earring has dropped off. Never mind, I'll attach it again at the, I'll just pop it there. Okay, thank you for looking, and hope you're enjoying, and have a fabulous Christmas. Not sure I'll get any more tags done now until after Christmas, as my daughters arrive tomorrow, so I'm very excited for that, and we'll be doing lots of Christmassy things in the house, so probably won't do any videos, but have a wonderful, wonderful Christmas. Enjoy your families, and I'll see you in the new year. Bye.